Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share 10 reasons why your hair will benefit from the usage of henna. Stay tuned. Henna is a natural plant hair dye and it gives you wonderful shades of red ranging from copper and strawberry red to chestnut and mahogany red without the use of any chemicals. It's absolutely eco-friendly. It's fully biodegradable due to its plant properties, and it doesn't have any harmful impact on the environment or the water organisms, nor to your hair and skin. You can obtain customized colors. Henna can be mixed with other plant hair dyes like indigo or magenta or cassia, and thus gives you a very big variety of tones and also cover gray hair. Henna also adds volume to your hair. It makes your hair look fuller and much more voluminous, especially if you have fine hair and not so thick hair. The usage of henna can be very beneficial for you. Due to its antifungal and antibacterial properties, henna is very nourishing for your scalp and also has a cooling effect. It soothes your scalp and also regulates the oil production. And you will also not have any dandruff. I'm only washing my hair once a week. It doesn't get really oily because I regularly use henna. This is my hair now after 6 days, and I have also oiled it one time in between. Henna is also a great thing for people suffering from allergy. If you use good quality henna, you shouldn't have any problems using that for your hair. Henna is very nourishing for your hair. It acts like a natural conditioner and strengthens your hair. It also strengthens the hair structure and builds a protective layer around the hair, improving elasticity and also improves manageability. So it's much easier to comb it and detangle, and as a result, henna also reduces split ends and breakage. Henna improves and transforms your hair over time. It has astringent properties and strengthens your scalp and roots, and thus can also prevent hair loss. And last but not least, more henna is not bad. The more you use it, it acts like a wonderful natural hair mask, improving your hair further and further. I have been using henna since a long time, and when I compare my hair to before henna and after, it got clearly much better and thicker and fuller due to the use of henna. I will not miss it anymore, and I can only recommend to use it for you. If you want to know how to dye your hair with henna properly, click here and watch this video. Like and subscribe if you get value from my content, and see you in the next video. Bye.